In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a closed report in Expensify. Sometimes a report gets closed a little too early, or you realize you need to make a change after it's already been submitted and processed. The good news is, as long as your account and company settings allow it, you can usually pull that report back and make the adjustments you need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process, step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, start by opening the report you want to reopen. Go ahead and log into your Expensify account, and from the main dashboard, head to your list of reports. If you have a lot of activity, it can be helpful to use the search bar or filters to narrow things down. Look for options to filter by expense report and sort by date so your most recent reports appear at the top. Once you see the closed report you want to work with, click on it to open the detailed view. When the report is open, you'll see all the usual sections: the report title, the summary information, the list of expenses, and any comments or approvals. To begin the reopening process, look for the button or menu labeled More. This is usually located near the top of the report page, close to other actions like export or print. Go ahead and click More to reveal additional options related to that specific report. After clicking More, you should see an option labeled Retract. This is the key action that allows you to reopen a closed report. Click on Retract. In many setups, this will immediately change the status of the report from closed or submitted back to an editable state. In some cases, you might see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to retract the report. If that appears, just confirm your choice. Once the report has been retracted, you can review and edit any of the details that your permissions allow. Adjust expenses, correct dates or categories, add missing receipts, or